Good morning, everybody. Good Saturday morning. Rob here again. Look at the snow we got, and that's from last night. About 20 centimeters of snow, and it's gotten cold again. But warmer weather's coming for the end of the weekend. If you can believe me, I'll have the peppers out. Oh, I don't know, right here maybe, or maybe out in the garden on Friday or Thursday even. Yeah, it's hard to believe. Anyway, I've got some plans for the week coming up. A weekend coming up, and I want to share them with you. So if you could bear with me, I will get right to it. Okay, plans for next weekend. All right, we got sweet Siberian watermelon. I'm going to be planting those in like solo cups and putting them on the heat mat. Okay. And I'm going to, excuse me, and that is going to be one variety I'm going to be growing. And another one I want to try this year, which I wanted to try, is this Canadian, early Canadian watermelon. I'm going to try that in a bucket. Now, we're talking about container gardening, guys. I don't want to do that because some of us aren't fortunate enough to have a backyard, and we have to rely on patios and things like that, or like smaller spaces. So a 25-liter bucket is what I'm going to be growing some of these in as an experiment, not all, to save on space and to just a demonstration that it can be done. I know that you can grow it in a container, but successfully. Now, we grew Shashansky last year, and that variety there turned out nice, but I don't particularly like it, so what's the point, right? Far north, this is a variety that was developed out there in Indian River, Saskatchewan. It was crossbred with some other types of cantaloupe, and it's generally a 60-day variety if you got the right weather conditions. I am going to grow some of that in a container. Now, I've tried this before, you know that, but I didn't really know what I was doing, and I've got a better technique now, and I want to try it again to see if I can actually pull this off. Last year with the Shashanskis, we really pulled it off, but even with that, I made some mistakes. Earlier, I didn't put the granular vegetable fertilizer down at the bottom, and I need to do that. And I didn't fertilize it every week like I was supposed to with like regular compost. So we're going to be on to that. And another variety, I have a few seeds left over. We'll see if they're viable, and then we're going to grow this one out of a bucket as well. This is Cream of Saskatchewan. Now, a fella up in the Laurentians grew this last year, I believe. Cream of Saskatchewan, or he might be growing it this year. Ricardo from Attila's Garden. Give him a look. He's got some really interesting things going on at his place. So that's what's going on. I'm going to get these all started in solo cups. I'm going to start them April 1st, or maybe next weekend, March 30th, 29th. We can get this in, and then I'm going to put them in an outfit like this on a germinating mat, or maybe I'll do this method. This is probably a better method. I think I'll go with this. I'll go with the solo cup, clear solo cups, and just I'll be able to get more of them on there. I want to start maybe 3 each of these, and I can give them away if I need to. Because I just want to experiment like everybody else does. It's Saturday, and the weather's horrible out there, but it's going to be nice by the end of the week. And I'll have a totally different scene for you next week. Anyway, I'm not going to take up much of your time, your Saturday morning. There's many other videos out there that I've been looking at, and I know that you are too. So that's my plans. We're going to put these in containers. Ideally, I'm going to put them in 25-liter containers. So I'm going to put regular soil in there, but I'm also going to put some, some good soils in there already pre-mixed. And, of course, I'll buy vegetable fertilizer. Anyway, again, we'll see you later. Thanks for stopping by this Saturday morning, and I'm going to be looking at some videos right now. Take care, everyone.